How to increase battery health in iPhone. Let's get started. First, launch your Settings app and navigate to the option Battery. Now head over to the option Power Mode. Use low power mode to reduce background activity when battery is low. Head back. Now scroll down and navigate to the option Charging. Over here, you're going to find this option Optimize Charging. Enable for this option. This reduces battery aging by learning your charging routine and limiting full charges until needed. Likewise, keep your iPhone out of hot environments, especially above 35 degrees Celsius. High temperatures permanently reduce battery capacity. Try to keep your battery between 20% to 80% during daily use. Avoid overnight charging if possible or use a smart plug to stop charging after 100%. Always use Apple certified cables and chargers. Cheap or uncertified adapters can damage battery cells. Next, keep iOS updated. So navigate to the option General, click on Software Update. If any updates are available, just update your software to its latest version. Disable background app refresh. So head back, go to the main page of settings. Navigate to the option General, click on the option Background app refresh. Now click on the option Background app refresh at the very top and set it to off. Likewise, disable location services. So head back. Navigate to the option Privacy and Security. Head over to the option Location Services and disable for this option. Lastly, reduce screen brightness and auto lock sooner. So head back to the main page of settings. Navigate to the option Display and Brightness. Enable dark mode. Scroll down and navigate to the option Auto Lock. Set it to 30 seconds. Following these steps, you will be able to increase your battery health. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.